Okay, so let's say I want to design some water holding structures like swales or ponds, and I need for that to understand how much precipitation I have, how much annual rainfall I have on a certain area. So let's say I'm designing a part of the system that needs a lot of water. So I will want the swales to be farther from each other so I can harvest more water in each of the swales. So let's say I'm gonna draw a polygon on this contour for now. Let's say it's gonna take all of this area and the swale will be dug on the contour. And so after that, if I'm drawing it on the precipitation layer, it will show under it. The area that I want to measure its precipitation, I need to put it under the precipitation layer, and then I can go to LandScape, Precipitation Volume Calculator, and it will have this window. I'm gonna hit apply, there's no parameters. It will take the annual precipitation that I gave him, or if I don't know and I didn't put it in the primary data, it will take something for an online service. So it says that it gave me 803 cubic meters of annual rainfall a year on this area. It saves it on the object name here, and it says also the surface area of this polygon. And let's say it's fine for my purposes, so I can now draw a swale. I can put it under earthworks, swales, and move here. And then I can draw the swale. Let's say and so I can also change its color because I don't want them to be too similar, and I need to know the difference between them. So it will be blue, let's say something like this, and the fill will also be something like this, maybe without opacity. Okay, so this is the swale. I can name it swale number 1. Okay, so now I want to add a new swale, but I need this area in front of the next swale because I need to catch this amount of water. So I'm gonna make another polygon under the water analysis, precipitation, another polygon. So it will draw it in the colors of the swale, so I can change it back so I can tell the difference between them. Okay, and the fill, something like this. And now I can continue drawing the area. Let's say I'm gonna go up to here, and here I'm gonna go with the contour. Now I will have on the layer list the extra path, and then I'm gonna go to extensions, LandScape, precipitation volume, apply. It will calculate the next one also, but I see it's a little bit smaller than I need, so I can close and control Z, like going a stage backwards, and then going to water analysis, precipitation, and enlarging the path. I'm going to take it a little bit further to the next contour line. And now I'm going to do it once again. Precipitation volume calculator. And it's a little bit wider. I need some more, so I can another time control Z, going to water analysis, precipitation, path. I need it to be a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna give it a little bit more space, not a lot because. Okay, and another try, and I can see it's already almost there. I can leave it like this or do another one. It depends on how flexible you are with the amount of water that the swale will catch. So this is the way I'm using precipitations to calculate how much water will fall in a certain watershed or a certain area, and then I can collect it with earthworks like this, and to know how much water will go inside each of the water bodies that I'm making.